There are dozens of cloud mining apps claiming you can earn crypto with your phone. Today, we're looking at Tap Mining, available on Google Play. We'll check whether it's legit, whether people can really withdraw, or whether it's more hype than reality. So, Tap Mining is listed on the Google Play Store as a cloud mining tool. It's a smart, user friendly platform that allows you to easily rent high performance, cloud based mining computing power. It claims you can mine major cryptocurrencies without needing hardware, just your phone and the app. On the positive side, there are YouTube videos showing withdrawal proof screenshots or videos for Tap Mining. For example, one video shows a user claiming they withdrew funds. On similar web, the app is ranked and shows some active users. However, on the caution side, just because a video shows a withdrawal screenshot doesn't guarantee the app is sustainable or that you'll easily get paid. Mining via phone or cloud miner apps is very likely to yield extremely small returns unless huge investment or hardware is involved. Experts note big limitations in mobile mining apps. Some user feedback via forums flag issues typical of earned by tasks or mining apps, withdrawal thresholds, delayed payouts, and needing more tasks. Now let's look at the pros and cons. For its pros, it's easy to download and try with low or no initial cost. If it works for you, you might get a small amount of crypto, good for experimentation, and it caters to the cloud mining from phone promise, which is attractive. However, it has very likely low earnings. Mobile-based mining power is tiny. High risk that withdrawal is difficult, delayed, or requires upgrade or tasks to unlock. It has lack of transparency. It's unclear who runs the mining operations, what the infrastructure is, and what gets paid out. Many apps of this kind are flagged for being unsustainable or resembling mining simulators. So is that mining worth it? If you're just curious and want to test it out with minimal investment, sure, you might get some small gains. But if you're expecting meaningful profits, reliable withdrawal, or a serious mining income, you're likely going to be disappointed. If you decide to use it, treat it as an experiment and never invest time or money you can't afford to lose. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.